Hi everyone. So we meet again for the part 5 of this week 4 multimedia element text. Although I mentioned to you just now, the previous slide was the last part of my lecture. This is the slide where I explain to you the follow-up activity. Now, first and foremost, what I want you guys to do is to choose one of the websites here. So look at number 1 instruction here. Please choose one website from the following list. So I have listed 5 website here. I want you to choose only one. And when you have chosen this, by the way, this is an individual work, it's not a group work. So everyone has to do this. Once you have chosen the website, I would like you to go to the website. And once you are there, choose one text aspect from the following list that you would like to amend. Provide constructive comments on how to make the chosen aspect better at this link. Now, listen, these 5 websites have been identified as having worst used of text. Yes, you'll be surprised. One of them is from Yale University. Yeah. So I am actually helping you out. You are given with websites that perhaps have wrongly manipulating the use of text in their web. So what I want you guys to do is, since we have learned all of these aspects, I just want you to just choose one aspect sahaja, only one aspect. Okay, so if let's say you have decided to, let's say, choose font size, so you just focus on that. I would like you to give constructive comments. So I know that the website is quite big. Maybe you are not going to criticize or you are not going to give feedback to the entire page of the website. Maybe there's this one part on that page that you would like to concentrate on the second aspect of the use of text, which is font size, for example. Just focus on that. Okay, so again, I would like to remind you, you're not going to give constructive comments to the entire website or to the entire page, just one part of it, one part of it. But I'm not saying that it has to be only one part. Sometimes, you just want to give a general constructive comment to the entire page, the first page, for example, or the second page, or the whole website, because you can see that there's a pattern of the same mistake that they repeated from one page to another. Perhaps, that is entirely up to you. So I leave this discretion to all of you. But what I want you guys to do is just to focus on one part, small part of the website if possible, and just choose only one of these aspects. Yeah, not all. Yeah. Okay, this is just to gauge your understanding on this particular topic for this week. All right. So how to give your constructive comments? I have provided the link here. All you need to do is just to fill up and write your constructive comments. But of course, you can write it somewhere else first, like on Microsoft Word, maybe to check your grammar and so on and so on. And once you are okay, then just copy paste. Go to this Google form link and respond to it. And of course, the third thing that you need to do is suggest a better version of the chosen text aspect by designing it using PowerPoint. Now, once let's say you have identified that part in that website, in the chosen website, so you have given your constructive comment. You said that instead of using, bigger fonts, they should just change the font to slightly smaller, for this part and this part, or when it comes to the paragraphing, the size of the font should be this part. Those are your constructive comment, but they are all in written forms. So I want you to change that. That means to come up with a design to provide a better version of it. How? By using PowerPoint. It's best for you to use PowerPoint because you can save just that one page slide in the form of JPEG or PNG. That means in the form of a photo or a picture. Okay. That means you still have to go back to the website, look at the small part that you have given your constructive comment with, and just that part you change to a better version that you feel that it should be this way. But then again, you have to visualize it in a form of a design. That means you need to design that part lah. Okay, you include all the details again, and then make the changes based on your constructive comment just on one page. Please don't make it more than one page. Yeah, just a one page long, and then save that page because you're using PowerPoint, right? So save that page in a form of PNG or JPEG format, so that it will be in a form of photos. And when it is done, then you upload on this link. It's a Google Drive link, so everyone has to do this. And how long will this be? The follow-up activity is a 1 week follow-up activity. Okay, so it's a 1 week follow-up activity from uh, today onwards up until this Sunday. Okay, that is all. Thank you.